Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide like counts on your Facebook account. Let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app, and after that tap on the three horizontal line in here and then tap on the gear icon. After that scroll down and try to find out reaction preferences. Tap on here, and after that you guys can find out the two options. Then at the bottom you guys can see on your post. If you just turn it on, then you can hide the like counts for all of your posts. And if you guys want to hide the like counts from others account, you can also do it. If you just turn it on, then you can't find out others people like counts. So this is how you can hide like counts from your Facebook account. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.